Yeah, it's April, and it's time for Veda. Veda, Veda, Veda.
Hello everybody, it is me Curtis from Whatcha Cookin Glenda, and you're watching another episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. If you would like to be a part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit a notification bell so that you are notified every time we upload a sanctified video. Now, on today's video, you know, if I'm in front of the camera, I'm cooking or I'm cleaning. If mom's in front of the camera, she's cooking. But today, neither one of us are cooking. Neither one of us are cleaning. On today's video, Chef Lawanda from Chef Lawanda Studios is cooking in our kitchen today. Y'all have seen her in many other videos, like the deviled eggs, the how to make vermicelli, homemade tortillas, all those sanctified dishes. So, let's get into this video because chicken fried steak and white pepper gravy and some mixed vegetables and some, hold on, wait a minute, my spirit, and some whipped potatoes is on the menu. So get your pad and pen, because you are about to be touched by Jesus. Amen? Amen.
Hey, this is Chef Lawanda, Chef Lawanda Studios. However, today I am part of the G Squad once again. I'm preparing a meal or an item for Whatcha Cookin Glenda. I'm G Squad. What we're preparing today is going to be chicken fried steak. You ever went to the cafeteria and you got these big old chicken fried steak? Like big chicken fried steak. This is what we're doing. It's going to be made out of cube steaks. And right now I'm going to marinate the cube steaks. So this is how we're going to do this. Going to be seasoning this with the quad, as Glenda always calls it, the quad. We got garlic powder, black pepper, seasoning salt, and onion powder. So I'm going to season it, lightly season this. Seasoning salt, garlic powder, and this is going to be, the flavor is going to be slightly different, but it's, trust me, it's going to be really good. We'll go ahead and do the same here. I think this is a sneezing black pepper I'm using right now. As you guys can see, this is not my house right here. I'm not in my own spot. So, it's a better spot. Okay, so I'm gonna add eggs to this. Just got 2 eggs. I got 4 cube steaks seasoned. Then I got some milk. It's regular canned milk. Excuse me, I told you. Just regular canned milk. This is like about a half a can. And what we're gonna do is marinate this. We're gonna marinate these cube steaks in this milk and eggs and let it set for about 30 to 40 minutes, and then we're going to start the process of fixing our chicken fried steak. Stay with me. Here's your chicken fried steak. Here, I'm going to put it down. We got peanut oil here. I can actually only cook one at a time here, looks like. Because of the method that we cooked them, it doesn't take long for this to cook at all. I'm going to flip it over. Now that's beautiful. A thing of beauty. We'll let this get golden brown on the other side as well. And then we're going to get back to you on some really good pepper cream gravy. Okay, we're back. We're getting ready to do the white peppered gravy. Right, as usual, I'm going to put a little bit, that's probably about a tablespoon of onion, sauteed onion in this. Yeah, I'm playing this by ear. I'm going to say this is a 1/4 cup of flour, white flour. And I have this off in, I think this is about, I don't know how much oil we have in here. But it looks like I need to put a little more. Add a little bit more. This is peanut oil, guys. And it has a little butter in it as well. So as you can see, gonna let that not get brown, but turn like really beige. So you gotta work really quick. I have coarse grind black pepper that we're gonna be using for this. Pepper gravy. And I got regular whole milk. Gonna vigorously stir this till it gets to your desired thickness. Gonna season this to the taste, let it simmer, and we'll be ready to put it over our chicken fried steak. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the thickness of the gravy. Add just a little bit of salt in here for extra flavor. Off camera, I put some chicken bouillon base in it as well. You know, for the chicken fried steak, you want some nice, rich, cream gravy. And with this, we're going to have some whipped potatoes and some mixed vegetables to go with this. This is going to be absolutely amazing. To show you guys the thickness of this gravy. Look at there. I'd like to have just a little more milk in here. Okay. Now you've got your cream gravy for your chicken fried steak. Yeah, man. Okay, now we're getting ready to plate this up. And the chicken fried steak here. We got our peppered cream gravy here. Oh yeah. Put a little bit on the potatoes. We did the potatoes and vegetable off camera. And here you go. It's waiting to taste test. Let me know how that tastes, son-in-law.
I'm trying these potatoes out with this white gravy.
Gravery?
I heard that.
Yeah, I like that gravy. That gravy real good. I'm trying these vegetables now. The vegetables good. And y'all know I love chicken fried steak.
This is nice right there.
Yeah.
This is steak. That's the key word. Steak.
Try this chicken fried steak out. Yeah. Now that you hard now, it tastes pretty good.
Crunchy.
Real good. Them vegetables is good. The mashed potato and that gravy is A-okay.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. Because guess what? This is the best cooking channel on YouTube. Now, I have to get my plate made so I can eat some of this food. Because when Chef Wanda in the kitchen, she throws down. Amen? Amen.